Hey guys, and what is up? We are back for an announcement giveaway. I already chose the winners for the Archon giveaway. You guys already hit you up. I sent you Skype requests. You know who you are if you got it. So if you did not win, but I'm glad that you guys all entered the giveaway. If you did not, then I'm sorry for that. But today we are going to be giving away an Optifine cape and a rank on Hydra and a rank on Arson PP. Arson PP is currently my favorite server. Wait, actually, screw that. We're giving a rank on Lotus. Cause I quit Hydra, but I was thinking about it and debating about it, but yeah. So, we're going to be giving a rank on Lotus Network. I play on there with my power faction. And, well, it's 5-man factions now, but I'm a captain this map. And I will be playing on Arson PP, which is currently my favorite server, which I love to play on. So yeah, comment your IGN down below, subscribe, and yeah, just for the Optifine cape, you all you have to do is like the video, comment your favorite video that I have posted, and yeah guys, that's all you basically have to do. But you do have to subscribe or it will not put you in the generator, and I will see who is active or not. You guys have to like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite part. And yeah guys, there you go. The Optifine cape, Lotus rank, Arson rank, there you guys go.